Hey everyone, so we decided to come to Wigan Park for the afternoon. One of the places where I used to come a lot when I was growing up. What I'll do is I'll spin the camera around now, then I can show you around. Okay, so this is Mains Park, the main park in Wigan. We'll go this way now. Normally, there's flowers and everything out, but with it being autumn now, there's not really many flowers and such out. I think there's somebody mowing the grass or doing something with the grass over there. If we go this way, they're blowing away the leaves, so it looks a little bit more tidier and everything. Okay. Now I'm not going to go near the kids' playground I'm filming because that'll be a bit, I don't know, I feel a bit strange, weird. Filming near the kids' play areas, but oh god, bro, glad that noise has gone a little bit quieter. Okay, loud noises and me don't mix at all. Okay, so there's some ducks here. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, no bread to give the ducks. Apparently, you're not supposed to give them bread, but I don't know. If Midnight sees this, she'll be cringing at me doing this going near the ducks. But whatever. I see that little boy. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, this is a Covey bird feeding station. We get tough ducks, dunlock, blue tit and songthrush here. And this is just like some of the, telling you a little bit. Oh, we also get, 1 minute. We get tough ducks, Canada goose. I ain't even going to try to pronounce that last one, but it's some kind of coot, a mallard and a common moorhen. We also get this great spotted woodpecker, dunlock, and all these others. I ain't going to read them all. Yes, please do not feed ducks and geese with bread. This is an interest of the welfare. Appropriate seeds available from the entrance to the lodge. Feeding wildfowl is done at your own risk. And then, like a little bit about the park. I always say it sounds like the ducks are laughing when we make that noise. It really sounds like it. So, here we are. Hey guys, come over here. Something we get a lot of in Wigan is pigeons. Good. Ooh. I know. Look at him. Oh, the pigeons. Hey, let's. And then we're making a lot of pigeons as a duck.
Come on.
It just landed on me. We're getting attacked by pigeons. And there's a geese.
Cheeky, aren't they?
It's okay, look. Right, here's some of the geese. These are Canadian geese.
Come on.
And there's a swan coming over to us now. It's alright, Ayla. Right. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to film near the play areas because that's a little bit Not right, but a little bit weird. It likes a bit quieter. We'll nip down this way because there's ooh. Don't know what that is, but a pigeon.
I'll go down there.
I'm just gonna go look at that waterfall there. Don't worry. Alright, I got you. Ayla's worried about falling, but I won't let her fall. Huh? Yeah, we'll go up there as well. I just want to show this waterfall here. I'm just going to go look at this waterfall. We're being followed by pigeons.
Oh God.
It's like a scene of that movie, the opposite cocks of birds. Right. A minute, took me some fans here. Right. Okay, I don't know what waterfalls I don't know what waterfalls come from. I don't know whether it's because it's been raining a lot these past few days and it's just started flowing, or but that's relatively new. Okay, so what we'll do really is we'll go this way around. Okay, and then we'll make our way up, alright? Yeah, let's go this way. Actually, you know, I really should plan this. We'll go that way, and then we'll come back round and up and down, okay?
Yeah.
Right, so down here is what used to be the bowling green. I don't know if it's still used, but like I said, it's been a long time since I've been in here. The only time I've been in is when I was at college across the road, and I came to do some photography in here at the beginning of the year, but I didn't come this far up, so I don't exactly know what's on here now. We are near the kids' playground. I'm not going to turn around. So these are the bowling greens. It doesn't look like they're used anymore, which is a shame, really. Yeah, it looks like they're not used now. Let's go. Hello, Mr. Magpie, how's your partner today? Actually, I say hello, Magpie, how's your partner today? One for sorrow, two for joy. Okay, now this is, oh, that's a shame. This little area, this little area here used to be like a crazy golf, and this is like a magpie. This area here used to be, are you okay there? Used to be a crazy golf area, but that's gone, which is a shame because I used to really enjoy playing there. Okay, so we've got two magpies there, one for sorrow, two for joy, 3 for girl, 4 for boy, 5 for silver, 6 for gold, 10 for secret never to be told, 8 for a wish, 9 for a kiss, 10 for a bird you'll never ever miss. And I don't know what number 11 is, so I think you just go back to the start. But yeah, all here used to be crazy golf and mini golf. Oh, I'm gutted about that. And of course we have basketball things here. I don't know if they're still in use. Oh, it's a shame. This is so sad. Right, well, there's no kids on this one, so I will show you this park. And again, a lot of the things have gone from this park. This is so sad. Oh, you know, I really used to love coming here when I was a kid. So sad. Right, so walk up here. So there's the basketball courts. And so all these used to be tennis courts, and why can't we have pretty nice things? And so sad. Anyway, oh, this is so depressing. So depressing. Here, we'll cut for you, Layla. Right. So now I will show you where one of the coffee shops is. So it's really depressing. Right, so we'll go down here now. So if we go down here, there's a nice little cafe, coffee shop, tea shop that sells, sells amazing ice cream. That's one nice thing about Wigan, like everybody or majority of people will say hello to you. But yeah. Like every place, there are still some nice people around. Right, there it's the bandstand. There's nothing on at the moment, but during the summer there's usually bands and stuff playing. Like we have our festival days and that here. So, wait a minute. That's the bandstand. Right there. And round here, like I said, this place does some awesome ice cream. It is amazing. And of course we do lovely teas and coffees and sandwiches, and it's quite reasonably priced as well. Oh, let's look to the side, there's something coming up.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll go this way round. Place has been here for, I'd say since Victorian era. It's been here. Now this statue's only been here for a couple of years. I'm not sure how long it's been here. But I don't think it's that long. Okay, so this statue is relatively new. And it says, I'll just move forward a little bit. In memorial, was erected public subscribing to the memory of the men belonging to the regular volunteering imperial something forces of Wigan district who fell in the South African War 1899 to 1907. So I'm guessing that is the Zulu War, but I'm not 100% sure. Wars and battles aren't my forte, so I'm not 100% sure when or which war that was. So we're coming up to a fountain now, we're coming down all these steps. Okay, we'll show you this fountain And then we've got one more statue to show, and then that's it. That's the park. So it's a small park, but it's nice. Yeah. And this lovely, pretty fountain. It is. Okay. Warning, treated water not suitable for drinking or bathing.
Oh, that dog.
So we've got some pretty flowers. Now, but there's a story behind this statue coming up.
Oh.
And the thing is, he's no relation to me, but he's got the same surname as me. So it might be very, very, very distantly related. But the story goes back to if you... I don't know if I'll be able to do this. I'm not going to chance it because no matter how covered up my phone. But the story is that if you go around the statue 3 times, rubbing his foot whenever you go around, he grants you a wish. But I've done that a few times and none of my wishes have been granted. So, okay, so now we're gonna head back out and we're gonna go to Starbucks and have a cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna get this lady home and what? And then I'll probably don't know what I'll do tonight. It's probably just chill. Okay, so for now I will say love you lots and lots like Jerry Tots, and I'm keeping Wigan weird. Bye.